In this video, we are going to learn how to add rule of third in Premiere Pro. First, go to rulers. If you don't have ruler icon, you can press this plus button, and here you can see there is rulers and guides icon. So just drag and drop and click OK. So now we are going to add rule of third in Premiere Pro. So from this side, from left side, you can just drag this line over here, and from top you can drag this line as it is shown. So now you can see the rule of third is applied, or we have created rule of third in Premiere Pro. But the simple way is you just right click here and you can click add guide, and here you can change the position. For some reason in my Premiere Pro it's not happening, maybe due to glitch or I don't know. But yes, this is the easy way. Here you can change the position, you can change the number. If you want top, you can press top, or if you want bottom, you can press bottom, or else you want vertical lines, you can also change into vertical, and here you can see right and left instead of top and bottom. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.